Hey everyone, Glenn Jensen here. It's the beginning of July 2009. A few incredible announcements I just wanted to make. For the first time in our history, we now have our first quadruple diamond director, Niti and Mukta Sawangsap out of Thailand. Congratulations to you guys. We are so proud, so excited about everything that you've been able to do and accomplish. I really don't even know what to say. We set those levels and those qualifications there a long time ago, not really knowing if anyone would hit them, but congratulations to you guys. And now we're honestly expecting other people from around the world to hit that quadruple diamond level. But to you, Niti, as being a pioneer and paving the way for others to follow, we really appreciate you. We thank you for your leadership. Thank you for all that you have done here in Agile. We're very proud of you. In addition to that, Raymond and Mun Tay from Malaysia, congratulations to you for being our first diamond director in our Malaysia market. You guys have been great friends, great leaders in that area. We are so proud of you and everything that you have done here inside of Agile. We're excited for your leadership and what you've paved the way also there in Malaysia for other people to now follow and become diamonds in that market. Another announcement. As all of you know, we have Agile World coming up here in September. We're really looking forward to a great event. We need a lot of you to attend from around the world to these places. A lot of exciting announcements, new product launches, different programs. Really excited about what's going to take place at Agile World. So I look forward to having people there to celebrate and recognize and just recognize all the leadership and all the new things that have taken place. So looking forward to seeing everyone there at Agile World. Here soon I'm getting ready to take off to our IAA, I Am Agile event in Thailand. Expecting thousands of people at that event. Really looking forward to being out there and spending time with all of our people. Just got back from Kazakhstan. First event that a corporate representative, I guess, had been to there in Kazakhstan. We had, I would say, just over 1,000 people or so at that event. To all of you there in Kazakhstan, it was great being with you and spending time there with you. Lots of things happening around the world, guys. Great enrollments, great recognition, great advancements, rank advancements. Our sales continue to grow. A lot of extremely exciting things happen. So congratulations, everyone. Thank you for the development. Thank you for everything. My name is Glenn Jensen. I am Agile.